The global automotive market in 2026 is undergoing a dramatic transformation, and one of the most talked about questions among buyers and industry experts alike is, which cars are expected to drop 50% in price by 2026? While a literal 50% price drop across brand new vehicles is rare under normal conditions, current market dynamics suggest that certain categories of cars, especially specific models, technologies, and segments, could experience significant depreciation, aggressive discounting, or resale value collapse that effectively feels like a half-price scenario for buyers. This situation is being driven by a combination of oversupply, shifting consumer preferences, rapid technological evolution, and economic pressure that is reshaping how vehicles are valued. One of the biggest contributors to this potential price drop is the oversupply of vehicles in the market. After years of production slowdowns caused by supply chain disruptions and semiconductor shortages, automakers ramped up manufacturing to meet what they believed would be sustained high demand. However, by the time production normalized, consumer demand had already begun to cool. Dealerships are now filled with unsold inventory, particularly in segments that were overproduced. When supply significantly exceeds demand, prices inevitably come under pressure. To clear out inventory, manufacturers and dealers begin offering heavy discounts, incentives, and promotions that can drastically reduce the effective purchase price of a vehicle. Another major factor influencing potential price drops is the rapid transition toward electric vehicles, EVs. Governments around the world are pushing for electrification through incentives, regulations, and long-term bans on internal combustion engine, IC vehicles. As a result, many consumers are hesitant to invest in gasoline or diesel-powered cars that may soon become outdated or face restrictions. This hesitation is causing a decline in demand for traditional IC vehicles, particularly in markets where EV adoption is accelerating. Cars that rely on older engine technologies or lack hybrid or electric options are especially vulnerable to steep depreciation. Buyers are increasingly viewing these vehicles as short-term assets rather than long-term investments, which reduces their willingness to pay premium prices. Electric vehicles themselves, however, are not immune to price volatility. In fact, early-generation EVs are among the strongest candidates for rapid depreciation. As battery technology improves and newer models offer longer range, faster charging, and better performance, older EVs quickly lose their appeal. A car that seemed cutting-edge just a few years ago can suddenly feel outdated when compared to the latest offerings. This rapid pace of innovation means that early adopters may see their vehicles lose value faster than expected, creating opportunities for second-hand buyers to acquire EVs at significantly reduced prices. Luxury vehicles are another category where substantial price drops are likely. Historically, luxury cars have always depreciated faster than economy vehicles, but current market conditions are accelerating this trend. High-end brands often produce vehicles with expensive features and advanced technology, but these features can quickly become outdated. Additionally, luxury cars tend to have higher maintenance and ownership costs, which can deter second-hand buyers. As a result, luxury vehicles that were once priced at a premium can lose a large portion of their value within a few years, sometimes approaching the 50% mark or more in extreme cases. Similarly, large SUVs and vehicles with poor fuel efficiency are facing declining demand in certain markets. With rising fuel prices and increased environmental awareness, many consumers are shifting toward smaller, more efficient vehicles or electric alternatives. Automakers that have heavily invested in large, fuel-hungry models may find themselves struggling to sell these vehicles, leading to aggressive pricing strategies to move inventory. This is particularly true for models that do not offer hybrid or electric variants. Another important aspect to consider is the impact of economic conditions on car pricing. Inflation, high interest rates, and uncertainty about future income are making consumers more cautious about large purchases. Financing a car has become more expensive, which reduces the number of buyers who can afford new vehicles. To counter this, automakers are introducing incentives such as low-interest financing, cashback offers, and extended warranties. While these incentives may not always appear as direct price cuts, they effectively reduce the overall cost of ownership and can create the impression of a much cheaper vehicle. Technology is also playing a significant role in reshaping car values. Modern vehicles are increasingly defined by their software, connectivity, and driver assistance features. However, technology evolves rapidly, and features that are considered advanced today may become standard tomorrow. This means that cars with older infotainment systems, limited connectivity, or outdated driver assistance features may struggle to maintain their value. Consumers are placing greater emphasis on future-proofing their purchases, which puts additional pressure on older models. Fleet sales and rental companies are another factor influencing market prices. During periods of oversupply, automakers often sell large volumes of vehicles to rental agencies at discounted rates. When these vehicles enter the used car market after a short period, they increase supply and push prices down further. This creates a ripple effect that impacts both new and used car prices, contributing to overall depreciation. It is also important to understand that not all cars will experience the same level of price drop. Vehicles that are in high demand, offer strong reliability, or belong to popular segments are more likely to retain their value. On the other hand, models that suffer from poor reputation, outdated design, or lack of features are more vulnerable to steep depreciation. Brand perception, resale value history, and customer trust all play a role in determining how much a car's price will drop over time. For buyers, this evolving market presents both risks and opportunities. On one hand, purchasing a brand new car in a segment that is likely to depreciate rapidly could result in significant financial loss. On the other hand, those who are willing to buy slightly used vehicles or take advantage of current discounts can secure excellent deals. Timing is crucial, as the best opportunities often arise when inventory levels are high and dealers are under pressure to sell. In conclusion, while a universal 50% price drop across all cars is unlikely, there are clear signs that certain categories of vehicles could experience dramatic reductions in value by 2026. Oversupply, the shift toward electric mobility, rapid technological change, and economic pressures are all contributing to a market where prices are more flexible than ever before. For consumers who stay informed and make strategic decisions, this period could offer some of the best car buying opportunities in recent years. Don't miss out on the best car deals of 2026. Your perfect ride could be waiting at an unbeatable price. At Meer Motor Hub, we bring you the latest updates, honest reviews, and insider tips to help you make the smartest car buying decisions. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or luxury upgrades, we've got you covered. Stay ahead of the market and never overpay for a car again. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe to Meer Motor Hub now and drive smarter every time. Automobile Fire.